Hi everyone, it's Sorkin. Today we have a problem when we are given an array of integer and we need to which has the zeros and which has the non-zero elements. So we need to move the non-zero elements to the beginning of the array. For example, in this case we are moving 1, 3 and the 12 to the beginning of the array and the zero elements to the end of the array. And we need to do that our algorithm should run in place, which means that we should not use any extra memory. So how we are going to do that? Let's take this example 0, 1, 0, 3 and the 12, right? So we have this array and which approach we're going to use. In this case, we are going to use two pointers, I and the j, and we are going to move our I pointer and we are going to set the value to j only if the value is if it's not 0. So let's go over it. I think that it will be more clear. For example, the first element, it equals to 0, right? So we are moving only our I pointer here. And the next element is 1. 1 is, it's not 0, so we are setting this value for j, right? So we are, for the j, setting this value to 1. The next element, so we are moving our I to the next element. It's what? It equals to 0, so we are moving to the next. We are moving to the next, and now the value of I is equals to 3. So we moved our j here, so after setting the value here, right? So now we are setting this value to 3. Okay, so we are setting this value to 3 and we are moving again it's actually 12. We are moving here to 12 and it's non-zero, so it's more than 0. So we are again, so we moved also our j here. We are setting the value of j to 12, right? We are setting the value of j to 12. And for the rest of the array, whatever is remaining, we are setting these values to 0, which is what we are returning here. So in this case, we are running our algorithm once. So it's of n, right? And it's our time complexity, and our space complexity is of 1. It's constant, so we are not using any extra space. Okay, let's go over our code. So what we do here, we are creating two pointers, j pointer and the I pointer we are using to go over our array. So at each element we are comparing. If it's not equal to 0, we are setting the value to our j here, and we are moving our j pointer. As we exit this for loop, what we have moved all the elements, all the non-zero elements to the beginning of the array, and for the end of the array, starting from the j element, right, from where the I is equals to j, we are setting all the values to 0. And the time and space complexity in this case is n, and our space complexity is constant. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.